Here at Gough Surgical, we offer minimally invasive, muscle-sparing, robotic-assisted surgery. But what that basically means for my patients is a faster recovery time, less pain after the surgery.
I'm walking without a walker and I haven't had a lot of pain. The most I've taken is extra strength Tylenol.
They're able to do all the things they want to do, whether it's playing with their grandchildren, or hiking the Grand Canyon, or even winning a world championship on their bicycle.
Getting these surgeries allowed me to maintain that super high level active lifestyle, getting the proper treatments, getting a great team behind me to help me recover was as important as the surgery itself.
Our complication rate is extremely low, our infection rate is extremely low, and our patients' recovery is simply astonishing.